Think about the last time you had to bring a branch online. Were you given a week? Time for multiple site visits? No, of course not. It had to be up by tomorrow, no one on site, and it had to be secure, reliable, and fast. Now, multiply that by 200 sites, or 2,000. That's the reality for IT teams today. Rapid rollouts, AI apps everywhere, high performance demands, and a security team reminding you that good enough just doesn't cut it. What if you could bring up sites across the globe with built-in security and resilient connectivity without ever leaving your desk? That's exactly what the Cisco 8200 secure routers were built for. Here's the Cisco 8235 and 8231, part of our new line of secure routers announced at Cisco Live. It delivers advanced security, AI-powered automation, post-quantum cryptography, and seamless management, making it future-proof for any WAN. They're gorgeous, and more importantly, they're practical. These new routers are the first ever fanless desktop form factor we're introducing in an 8200 family. They're whisper quiet, built for spaces where noise and cooling matter, without compromising speed or security. And with a bezel-free design, they reduce plastic usage, making them a more sustainable choice. Now, let's go a little deeper. The 8200 secure routers are built for the branch. They deliver essential security and performance at an unbeatable price point. You can order 1 gig, M-gig, or 10 gig fiber WAN ports right out of the box. No adapters to track, no where's the SFP emails. They're small, but mighty, with power and memory to spare to run advanced services like SD-WAN, next-gen firewall, or Thousand Eyes right on the device. No extra appliances, no added complexity. And if you need embedded LAN ports or PoE, they're built in. It's designed to adapt to you, not the other way around. Of course, we didn't put all this effort into building a great edge device without making it secure. Integrated hardware security enforces trusted software at boot and ensures every device on your network is exactly what it claims to be. A dedicated secure networking processor delivers blazing fast cryptography and deep packet inspection without slowing you down. And as your business evolves, new sites, new requirements, your built-in security and automation scale with you. With AI-powered automation, you get faster config, simpler troubleshooting, and seamless scaling, so your network can keep up with your business. Oh, and one more thing. With built-in RFID for effortless inventory tracking and a beacon LED for quick identification, you'll spend less time hunting down hardware and more time getting things done. Without the right platform, every branch rollout feels like a fire drill. Every outage becomes a war room. Every change adds complexity. These new Cisco 8200 secure routers fix that. They're built for security, reliability, and scale, so your network just works. To learn more, visit cisco.com or talk to your Cisco team today.